Man United have set their sights on Nico Williams. It's suggested that the club scouts have identified him as their prime versatile target for the month of January. The Spaniard has a release clause of £43 million in his contract at Athletic Club, also known as Athletic Bilbao. A move is much more likely to take place in the summer due to the large fee and in United's financial fair play situation, which prevents them from spending big in January. Antony's £82 million move to Man United has been a disaster, highlighted by the fact that the Brazilian has failed to even register a goal contribution in 21 appearances for the Red Devils this season. The United faithful are becoming increasingly frustrated with the 23-year-old's constant, underwhelming performances, and the signing of a new right winger could see his United career end. That new attacking star could be Williams, a player who has been labelled dazzling due to his versatility and huge skills. The star has been nothing short of electric this season in La Liga, scoring 3 and assisting 5 in 16 starts. The 21-year-old has become instrumental in the way his side attacks, showing great maturity and taking on plenty of responsibility despite his age. Williams is an extremely fast winger who is a master at 1v1 scenarios, constantly taking a direct approach with the aim of getting into the box. Furthermore, he's almost unstoppable when dribbling, using his quick feet and agility to glide past defenders with ease, amassing nearly 6 progressive carries every 90 minutes. Impressively, he has the joint most successful dribbles in La Liga this season. Williams can progress the play via his ball carrying, and he is a true creative spark. It is clear that Williams would be a huge upgrade on Antony, and United must do all they can to acquire his signature, with Ten Hag and his side in dire need of some more creativity in the side if they are to turn the ship around. Man United have already sent scouts to watch him and also talked to his representative for a possible move, so there's a huge possibility that United can sign him. Given the fact that he is still young and there's still room for improvement, signing him for just £43 million could be a good move. What do you think about this move, guys? Let us know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Manchester United news and updates. Thanks for watching.